Tell me this is not like a thing in Ethan's neighborhood, bro. Looks like it, just like a green river. It's just like in the middle of the woods, bro. I'm trying to get like this. Might be too steep. Dude, this is so weird. Good. Oh. Some mad sauce up here. Checking over there. Let's see what's going on outside. How deep that crevice is. Shoot. More deep crevices. Literally just straight woods. That's weird. What is that? Yo. That dragonfly's in purple.